On September 2, 1994, Harita Kaur Deol made history as the first female pilot in the Indian Air Force when she flew an Avro HS-748 aircraft. Born into a Sikh family in Punjab, Harita had always been courageous and ambitious with a lifelong dream of flying. Despite facing many challenges during her rigorous training, she persevered with determination. At just 22 years of age, her milestone flight marked a significant achievement for both her and the Indian Air Force. Tragically, 2 years later, on December 25, 1996, she lost her life in a plane crash in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. An interim government was established in India on September 2, 1946, with the primary goal of drafting a constitution and paving the way for the country's independence. India was still under British colonial rule, and after the World War II, the demand for independence intensified. As pressure rose, British Prime Minister Clement Attlee proposed the formation of an interim government. This government, led by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, replaced the Viceroy Executive Council and functioned for about a year until August 15, 1947, when India gained independence. Nehru then became the first Prime Minister of an independent India. On September 2, 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant. This event marked a significant achievement for the Indian Navy and the nation, as the carrier was entirely built in India. Named after the original INS Vikrant, which played a crucial role in the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War, this new vessel is India's largest and most advanced aircraft carrier to date. Construction began in 2009 and it was delivered to the Indian Navy in 2022. The carrier, weighing approximately 43,000 tons, measures 262 meters in length and 62 meters in height. It can reach a top speed of 52 kilometers per hour and cover up to 15,000 kilometers without refueling. INS Vikrant is equipped for various naval operations, including maritime security, anti-submarine warfare, anti-air warfare and humanitarian assistance. This project is a key milestone in the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, showcasing India's capability in indigenous design and technology. On September 2, 1999, Bulla Chaudhary, a remarkable long-distance swimmer from West Bengal, crossed the English Channel for the second time. Born on January 2, 1970, she is celebrated for swimming across the 7 seas of 5 continents. Bulla, who has been honored with the Arjuna Award and the title of Jalpari, was the first woman in Asia to swim across the English Channel twice. In 2003, she received the Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award. The English Channel, a challenging 34 kilometers wide waterway between England and France, is known for its difficulty in crossing by swimming.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
World War II officially ended on September 2, 1945, when Japan formally surrendered. The war began on September 1, 1939, with Germany's invasion of Poland and was primarily fought between the two major alliances, the Allied nation, including the US, Britain, Soviet Union, China and France, and the Axis nations led by Germany, Japan and Italy. Germany surrendered on May 7, 1945, a day celebrated as Victory in Europe Day. However, the conflict continued in Asia and the Pacific as Japan had not yet surrendered. To force Japan's surrender, the United States dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, leading to a significant devastation. Japan announced its unconditional surrender on August 15, 1945 and officially signed the surrender documents on September 2, 1945, marking the end of World War II. The world's first automated teller machine, ATM, was introduced on September 2, 1969 by the Chemical Bank in New York City. This innovation, developed by an American engineer, Donald Wetzel, allowed people to withdraw money without needing to visit a bank branch. The ATM was so successful that its manufacturer, Docutel, dominated 70% of the market within 5 years. Initially, ATMs only offered cash withdrawals, but over time they expanded to include features like money deposits, balance inquiries, and bill payments. The advent of the ATM revolutionized the banking industry, providing a convenient alternative to traditional bank visits and establishing itself as a crucial banking tool globally.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.